Hello, all students and good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever the school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I am going to teach you science chapter 10, new chapter. So whenever you are going to watch my video, please keep book and copy with you. Chapter name is animals, types and adaptation. Okay, we read about animal types and adaptation. Okay. Now we know that there are so many different animals are present on this earth. Okay, some animals we can keep as domestic. Some animals we do not keep. They live in forest. Some animals they live in water. Some animals they live in grassland. Some animals they live in mountain area. So there are different types of animals are there, and different types of animals they adapt the environment, and according to that they live, they habitate there. Like see, if you will keep fish on land, what will happen? It will die. If you will keep a dog in water, what will happen? The dog will die. Why? Because they have to adapt the environment according to that. So in this we will read the types of animals and their adaptation. So first topic is types of animals. So there are variety of animals around us. Some animals have some several bones that form a column from their neck to their tail. This is called backbone. Some animals do not have a backbone. Based on the presence or absence of the backbone, animals can be grouped as vertebrates and invertebrates. Okay. So now we will read in these in types of animal means. So based on the presence or absence of of the backbone, animals can be divided into divided can be grouped as invertebrates and vertebrates. Okay. Now you will ask what is backbone. So some animals have several bones that form a column from their neck to tail. Some animals have several bones that form a column from their necks to their tail. Okay, this is called a backbone. Means see our backbone, it is attached to our neck to our till this. Okay, so here some animals are there. They make many animals they grouped as that some animals have bones, some animals have do not. Some animals do not have bone. So we will read about. Okay, so first we will read about invertebrates. Okay, invertebrates. So animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Animals who do not have a backbone means they do not have any bones, not backbone. That animals are called invertebrates. The animals do not Now, which are the animals who do not have backbone? So, examples are earthworms, octopus, crabs, and insect. All type of insect, which cockroaches, they do eat. It has also it does not have a backbone. Lizard also does not have a backbone. Ant also does not have a backbone. So, examples are animals who do not have backbone are like octopus, crabs, earthworms, and insects. Okay. Now in this we will read about insect. In vertebrates, we are going to read about insect. Which type of insects do not have a backbones? Insects are the most numerous organism on earth. Their body is divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. Insect means on the earth we will find so many types of insects. Okay, numerous, so many number. If you will see take the example of ant only, if you will take the example of mosquito, we will find this in so many number. Okay, so insects body is divided into three main parts. Head, thorax, thorax, and abdomen. These are the three main parts: thorax and abdomen. Now their body is also covered by a hard outer material called chitin. Now, like our body is covered with muscles. Okay, like their body. If you have seen a cockroach, then you will see a cockroach on the upper body, its body covered with some hard outer material. That material is called chitin. Their body is covered by a hard outer material or chitin. Okay. Now these forms of firm outer covering for their body called an exoskeleton, and this only form that is known as that hard and outer material is known as exoskeleton. These form a firm outer cover for their body called exoskeleton. Okay. An example of common insects are ants, butterflies, cockroaches, etc. Okay. So these are some animals who are invertebrates. So on the basis of presence and absence, you have to read two things: invertebrates animal and vertebrate animal. Invertebrate completed. Now vertebrate I will explain next classes. So for now, goodbye to all of you.